Today, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to download and install Visual Studio Code on your Windows computer in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a developer looking for a streamlined setup, this is the ultimate guide for you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type Visual Studio Code Download in the search bar. Hit Enter. You should see the first result from Microsoft's official website. Click on that link. I'll also leave the direct link in the description below for your convenience. Once you're on the Visual Studio Code website, it's super simple. You'll see the Download for Windows button right at the top. Click on it. Visual Studio Code will automatically detect your operating system and give you the correct installer for Windows. It's lightweight, so the download shouldn't take more than a minute or two. When the download is finished, open the installer. You'll be greeted with the setup wizard. Just follow these steps. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose the installation folder or leave it as the default. I'll recommend sticking to the default location. Make sure to check the boxes for Add to Path and Add Context menu options to make your life easier. Finally, click Install, and Visual Studio Code will be installed on your system in just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, click Finish, and Visual Studio Code will open automatically. You'll see the welcome screen, and that's it. You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your Windows computer. Now you're all set to start coding. Before you get started, I recommend installing some popular extensions like Prettier for formatting, Live Server for web development, and Python or C++ tools depending on your project needs. Just go to the Extensions tab on the left, search for the extension, and click Install. It'll take your coding experience to the next level. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you easily download and install Visual Studio Code on your Windows system. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what projects you're planning to build using VS Code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.